ChatGPT just hit 1 billion monthly users, while everyone's simultaneously freaking out about AI ethics and environmental cost, and nobody seems to care. This is AI Wire Daily. The billion-user milestone is absolutely massive. We're talking about a faster adoption curve than any app in history. But here's the thing. Growth at that scale is now decoupled from public sentiment. People are using ChatGPT more than ever, while simultaneously expressing genuine concern about its environmental footprint and the murky ethics of training data. OpenAI is hitting unprecedented scale, but the conversation around safety hasn't kept pace. That's not a good signal long-term. SpaceX just IPO'd at $161 per share and jumped 19% on day one, because the market finally sees what Elon's been saying for years. Starlink is the actual money machine. The satellite internet division is the only profitable part of the business right now, which means everything else. The rockets, the Mars ambitions, even the acquisition of XAI in February, those all run on Starlink's cash flow. The IPO also signals that XAI's Grok models and data centers are now embedded in a publicly traded company, which changes the competitive landscape entirely. Watch this space, because combining SpaceX's infrastructure with AI compute is a play nobody else can execute. Consumer sentiment just rose for the first time in 3 months, and stocks are tracking for a positive week on peace deal optimism and falling oil prices. The Fed meeting next week is the real test, but markets are already pricing in relief. Inflation expectations data came in better than expected, which means the narrative is shifting from doom to recovery. If that holds, we're looking at a serious reallocation of capital across tech, energy, and consumer stocks. Team USA kicked off the World Cup today in Los Angeles because apparently we can host massive international sporting events while AI continues its quiet takeover of everything. The tournament runs for over a month, and packed stadiums mean peak connectivity demands. That's actually relevant because it's a real-world test of infrastructure, including cloud compute for live streaming, real-time analytics, and the boring back-end stuff that nobody talks about until it breaks. That's the AI News. Subscribe. This stuff moves fast.